Two completely different machines, but both promise pure riding excitement. First, the lightweight sport machine, the Kawasaki Ninja 500. And on the other side, the powerful Harley Davidson Sportster S. A lightweight sport bike versus a modern muscle cruiser. The Ninja 500 continues Kawasaki's legacy of approachable sport bikes. Sharp styling and aerodynamic lines define its sporty personality. Under the fairing is a 451cc parallel twin engine producing around 50 horsepower. Handling is where the Ninja truly shines. Modern electronics and a clear digital display make it beginner-friendly. For new riders, this bike offers confidence and control. Now let's move to something completely different. The Sportster S is powered by a massive 1252cc Revolution Max engine. With over 100 horsepower, it's built for serious performance. Twist the throttle and the torque hits instantly. Its wide tires and aggressive stance give it a powerful road presence. Modern electronics bring Harley performance into the digital age. On the highway, it feels stable, powerful, and confident. A true muscle cruiser with unmistakable attitude. The Ninja uses a 451cc twin, while the Sportster packs a massive 1252cc engine. When it comes to raw power, the Harley clearly dominates. But the Ninja wins when it comes to lightweight agility. Sport bikes like the Ninja are built for corners. Riding positions are completely different. Cruisers like the Sportster shine on long, straight roads. Both bikes offer modern digital displays. But the sound character couldn't be more different. Both bikes offer modern digital displays. But the sound character couldn't be more different. But the Sportster definitely turns more heads. Wow, this Sportster is stunning.
The style is incredible.
If you want a lightweight and approachable sport bike, or a powerful cruiser with serious muscle. So the real question is, which one would you choose? Both machines deliver a unique riding experience.